Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do like a more sit down video. I get quite a few questions about my jewellery sometimes and like where I get it from, what I wear, so I thought I'd talk you through a few new bits. The really lovely team at LINJER sent me over some bits. I don't know if you guys have been around for a while, but last year they also sent me some really lovely bits that I still have to this day that still look just as good now as they did back then. I do actually have a discount code for LINJER, so I'll put it on the screen, and if you use my link down below, it also shows you the bits they sent me last time, so like my picks basically from the website. I'm just going to focus today on the bits that I got from LINJER and how I wear them and stack them, etc. So this is the brand. So they sent me over this gorgeous card with the LINJER logo in the gold, which is just so pretty, and then they also sent me over like a little bag that I can put all the pieces in to keep them nice and safe. So gorgeous and so premium, and all the pieces that I have are like tarnish free, and in the little boxes they come in, which by the way are super cute. They also give you a little care leaflet so that you can just, it tells you how to look after the jewellery and stuff to keep them looking as good as new for as long as possible. So for LINJER to make their pieces last a long time, they use gold vermeil plating and solid gold. They use recycled gold and silver as well, which is great, and they source from ethical suppliers and use lab cut diamonds. I'm going to show you this ear first of all. So this ear I already have in two pieces from LINJER. So I have this little stud with a chain attached to it, which I put in my third hole. I basically never take this one out. And then I've got these gorgeous little gold huggies, which are new. They sent me these over really recently, and they're just really nice. They kind of look like a shell in a way, but they're like, obviously they're not a shell, but yeah, I just think they are so pretty and they fit perfectly in those second holes. I do sometimes put them in the first one as well, obviously, but last time they did send me over some gorgeous little huggy hoops, so I do kind of prefer the look of those ones in my second hole, and then these little just plain gold huggy hoops in the lobe. This ear I've got a lot more going on. I've got a lot more piercings, but again I have in the chain hoop here and also the huggy shell ones which I said about, so I'm going to pop these in. If you do enjoy this video and you do want me to kind of in depth talk you through all the jewellery that I wear, then I can definitely do that in a different video, but this one I just wanted to focus on how I layer my LINJER jewellery. So last time LINJER also sent me over these really lovely earrings here. So this one I actually have put in my conch piercing here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not actually meant to be for a piercing like that because it's not got the like flat end, but I just love the look of it in there. So yeah, I've put that one in there and I just think that that is gorgeous. So then this one looks like this and this one looks like this. So I absolutely love these. I love these little hoops. Basically these hoops for a long time I had in my second holes before I got the new pieces from LINJER really recently. So I absolutely love the fact that you can mix and match them and they look just as good. Like I honestly have had those in my second holes since I got them, so probably about a year, and they have not tarnished. I shower with them in, I do everything, which I mean I'm pretty sure my leaflet will tell me not to do that, but they still look really good and shiny and just good as new. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to rings. So they kindly sent me over a gorgeous little wave ring and also this gorgeous thick ring, which I just love the thickness of it and that it's not like a perfect circle. Also the jewelry does have the LINJER logo like embossed into it. For rings I typically always wear this ring, which is this is a signet ring, which was my dad's, and before it was my dad's it was my granddad's, so my dad's dad. I don't know from before then, but this is just a gold signet ring which I always wear. But basically this ring, obviously because it was for men, it's a lot bigger than my fingers. I mean I do have little chubby sausage fingers, but it is still too loose, so I always wear this signet ring on this finger. So the perfect way to kind of keep this on and make sure that I don't lose it is to lay it on top this. Now the wave just really perfectly fits above the ring. So let me show you guys what I mean. I don't know how well you can see this, and I'm really sorry I haven't got really cute little nails. I need to get them done. But it just perfectly fits over like the wave, so that really like helps hold it on, which I absolutely love. And then I've been putting this thick one, which I will put all the details on the screen of like the names of them next to it, because I just really like the look of the 2 layered ones and then the thick one here. This one also does fit on my thumb as well, so sometimes I put it on my thumb, but I definitely prefer it on this one. Other hand, I just put some other bits on which are not from Linjer. They're just from some other brands, but they do have loads of rings on there. So those are all the bits that Linjer have really kindly sent me over. So like I said, if you do really love these pieces, then please do go over to their website. Use the link below so that you can see my discount code, and you can also use the link and it will just put the pieces straight in front of you, with all the ones that they've like sent me before and now. I honestly love this brand so much. The pieces are gorgeous. Obviously Christmas is coming up soon, so this would be a perfect time to use my discount code and get some really nice gifts for your friends, your family, yourself if you want to. Thank you again to the Linjer team for sending me over these gorgeous pieces. I absolutely love them. If you did enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!